Hangzhou Dongteng Industry Company Limited, the former Hangzhou Shaoshan Haiqiao Chain Factory, is a specialized manufacturer of chain and various power transmission products, established in the year 1995. It covering a production area of 8,000 square meters and has more than 70 employees. Company located in the beautiful ancient city Hangzhou City, Zhejiang Province of China. It is about 10 minutes drive to Hangzhou Shaoshan Airport. Our company is focused on producing all variety of standard roller chain and special chains, such as conveyor chains, stainless steel chains, agricultural chains, hoisting chains, coupling chains, silent chains, hollow pin chains, timing chains, palm oil chains, and leaf chain. We have a complete set of testing equipment to ensure our quality, and our company is a member of China Chain Association. Our company has introduced advanced equipment, technology, and management principle in recent years. We always stick to the original philosophy of customer is the God, and understand that power source for continuous business development is research, innovation, and market orientation. Presently, we are looking forward to earn great cooperation with overseas customer based in mutual benefits. We welcome you both from domestic and abroad to arrange business visit or send us message to us for business cooperation. Please feel free to contact with us for business cooperation.